Hi guys, welcome to Tech Dev. For today's video I will demonstrate on how to apply JavaScript to HTML. First of all we will create index.html. Write HTML by typing HTML and select HTML5. Create an h1 tag and closing tag. Add ID and name it whatever you want, but in our case let's write TechDev. After that let's create index.js. Inside index.js, we assign variable named name. You can put variable name whatever you want, in our case we use variable name. Inside document.getElement by ID, put the ID value we assign in HTML earlier, which is TechDev. Now grab the variable name and type this. Add text that you want to display in HTML. Go back to HTML file and add this to the end of your HTML file. In src type put the file where your JavaScript code are in there. And now right-click index.html and select Open with Live Server. You can change anything you want inside JavaScript file. And that's it.